Alex, I think we are live now. Say hi to our subscribers, please.
Yeah.
So, Alex,
Subscribers.
yesterday happened that really not so often meeting day
Right.
when market made drop, but not strong. So it dropped in the first half of the day and then stopped on the exact meaning where it was. And usually it's, I think, one of the so it's really difficult to find such days before, because usually when markets fall, they also make a jump back. Usually not so strong, but at least 1%, 1.5%. And yesterday was very strange. So market fell and then stopped at that exact meaning. And today, I think options are, I think, the cheapest I ever seen in Ethereum. So let's continue. Let's check at first Velo site. And I want to show you the price.
Start from the performance.
Yeah,
So that bar doesn't seem like which one? Where I mistook the orders, like selling and buying. Then I messed up with the position side. That one? Don't you remember?
I think
Probably that one.
that one. Yes, that one.
That one.
And here, yesterday you
Yep.
had an idea that we need to sell something, and this idea was not so good.
Yeah. It's my
So
fault. I agree. My money, my fault. Sure.
yes, that's great. That's great. So I'm happy that you don't think that it's all my fault that we are losing your money.
Sure.
Let's continue to Velo. I know that profitable trade is in front of us, and we will get it.
Will you show it on your site?
Sure. Let me check. Site Velo.
I
Yeah.
suggested and you agree.
Yes, but it was your idea, so there is not my fault. I hope you also think so. So, look, of course, here we don't see that that there is a strong decline, but I think if we'll make Ethereum, it will be almost the same. But later I will show you in Position Builder that prices are really cheaper. So yesterday the price of central straddle for Ethereum was about 30, 34 maybe dollars. And today it's 23. So today it has to be movement less than 1.5%. So it means that really now Ethereum is like stable coin. And you can see that here we cannot see this, but on TradingView I will show it to you. And later on Position Builder. And
So, Roma,
also
wait.
you can see, yeah.
Roma, wait. Roma, wait. Scroll up, please. So actually, Ethereum trades saw even lower volatility, right?
Yes, but I want to say that here market was going more. So here options were cheaper and market made stronger movements. Now options are more expensive, but market is making less movements. And here prices of options were lower, but movements were stronger. Now we have opposite situation, so option prices are still not so cheap, but this shows weekly options, not daily options. In daily options, I think that today we are here, it is shown 49.6. And later I will show you that in daily options now is about 33, I think. And 33 is so here. So now we are on this point. I mean, if we use daily options.
So what are we waiting for? A spike like that one? For
Even
me, what I'm seeing
even this spike is enough, because usually strong movement, if for example market makes like this, it's not strong volatility. Strong volatility is when market is making like this. Understand? Yes, the difference. Because usually many people thinks that strong volatility is strong movement, but strong volatility is when market is jumping up and falling down very fast. Usually when a market is making strong growth, for example, like this, really the volatility is not so strong. Because when people make delta hedging strategy, it's easy for them to keep risks low. But if the market goes up, for example, like this, but the same movement and like this, for them is really difficult to make delta hedging strategy, because they need to make delta hedge here, then they need to make the opposite movement here, again the opposite here, again the opposite here, and each time when they make it, they have losses. In this chart, you need to make delta hedge only here, for example, or here, and after you almost don't have losses. Understand the difference? So for us, we need really like this or like this. So we don't even need something like this. That is why the movement like in that moment, so it is, I think, 21st of August. It was really strong movement, 17%. And if, for example, tomorrow we will see the movement like that, we will have about 100x for our stake. And all our suffering from previous losses will be, you understand? Okay, let's continue on your side. Please open TradingView, and I will show you what is the width of current straddle. We can even make it in position builder. So let's open position builder.
It's time to start our video to the main channel.
Sure.
Apart from the broadcast.
Then open position builder, and today we will start our video from that, not from TradingView. And let's open straddle at first. So please open 1900 and please 19. Yes.
Roman, just repeat again. So would you like to record the video? Is it time?
Yes, sure. I want just to start with a picture. So I want on the main screen, we see the straddle. So we need to buy 1900 call and 1900 put.
Of what contract?
1 and 1, yeah. Okay. And please make scale a little bit, zoom in. Yes. Okay, let me start. Alex, today's straddle is the cheapest I ever seen in Ethereum. You know this? Just look. So we need market to go out of this small corridor. So if the market will break this range, the straddle will be profitable.
I see.
You can see how small it is.
Delta is only how much, like $10 down and about $30 up.
Yes. So you can see that it's the least range needed for straddle profitability we ever seen. Because usually, even when volatility was low in previous days, it was about $35 both sides. Today, it is less than 25.
Yes.
So if we will count the difference 1926 and 1873, we get about $54. So it's $57. But I think that closest straddle to current price is 1875. So I think we can try to change for 1875 straddle because it's $11 to 1875 and 14 to 1900. Let's try to change and let's check what is the price of 1175 straddle. But we can just look here. You can see 18.8 and 6.6. So if we add one to another, we have 25.4. You can see,
What do you like to do? To add one more that put?
I think we can just create our position because when we have such a cheap option prices, I think maybe soon if this volatility will continue, I think we can buy plus minus $25 as cheap as we did before with plus minus $75. And thanks to you, we have infinite amount of money, and I'm sure that we will have a good trade sooner or later. Okay, and my idea today is to risk. I think we can risk today $7. What do you think? 5, I think.
Great.
What do you think? Yes, you're ready.
Great.
Okay. Let's do this. And I think today we will not sell the center. What do you think?
Sell the center. We want to sell the center. So looking at the
I think that
performance
today it's a bad idea to sell the center. You can look that the range is so small that I think that it is about 70% that it will get out of this range.
I had that experience. So when you're talking that this is a rare situation, this is not what I experienced like a few months ago. So losing money might be for days, even weeks on that really narrow short position.
Yeah.
Upside down. So I agree that options are too cheap, and I suggest it just to rise up the path.
Okay.
For straddle.
I'm happy that you agree with me. Please don't open this terrible chat. I don't want to see it. I want at first to see big profitable day, which will be bigger than this terrible red day. So let's do this.
To our subscribers, this was bad example.
Yes, for our subscribers, it was bad example of trading, and we will try to show now a good example.
So which one?
So let's check 19,
put?
For example, like this, yes.
How many?
No, I think this is too close. Let it be 1850. 1850. Put, yes. So if $7, I think then we can buy 1.5 here. Yeah.
Check.
Good price. And also 1925. Yes, and this we can buy, I think, 2.5.
Okay.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
Okay. So what's about ladder?
Yes, and now we will make ladder take profits. I think we will begin from, let me check the price. So now is 1886. If we will go 5%, it will be 98.
Option.
So let's begin from call options. Let's begin from call options. and first price of fixing is 54.9. 54.9. Mm-hmm.
Check.
Yes, sure.
Well, quantity, there are gonna be 5 of them, right?
Yeah, because we don't have
Okay.
sold options today.
Then what? 59 or 64?
No, let's go with the step of 20.
20, really?
Yeah.
Okay, 74.9,
Mm-hmm.
94.9.
Yes, and the last one, 134.9.
134. No,
34.9,
not
yeah.
200. No, you sure? No,
We can do this. We can make 199.
54. Let it be 54. We need good content, like entertaining one for our subscribers. Let it be 154. Take profit of great emotions.
Yes, let's do this. And let's also make the same for options put. Let me check again the price. So 1886 multiply. So first order need to be the same. Yes, the same ladder from 54.9.
Let's check. 0.3 contracts, 54.9.
Yeah.
Boom. 74. Boom. 94. Boom. 114. Boom. 50. Boom.
Yes.
Okay. 4, 5, 5. Wait. Oh, here. Yeah, done. All is done.
Yes, and I also want to remind you and our subscribers that Jess Livermore told that the main skill of trading is skill of waiting. So we just need to wait for our black swan. And as Nassim Taleb told, it's like the life of Turkey. So Turkey is living and doesn't know that one day it will be killed. And the chart of Turkey life is always growing, but one day it's just falling to zero. So I think sooner or later we will have this day, and we will show our subscribers what is the skill of waiting. Thank you, Alex. Hope that we will not need to wait too long, and that your infinite money will infinite more than we need to wait. Okay. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Bye.
Okay, subscribe and join us to wait. Enjoy. Right. Bye. Promise you tomorrow.